So baby souls have a need for structure. They tend to live according to beliefs based on dogma. When they move from being an infant soul to baby soul, so they are now trying to create a structure. So the dogma is something like, let's say religion. Religion is a dogma. Ideology, you can call it as an ideology. So we have something like, Hindutva ideology, liberalistic ideology, right? Democrats, Republicans, left wing, right wing, center. So these are different ideologies. So we create an ideology and we stay in that ideology when we are in baby souls. So, such as religious fundamentalism. Hinduism is only right. Allah is the only God. So Jesus Christ is the only God. Jesus Christ is only the Son of God. So these are some people. These people will believe in their own God. They will not They will not respect others. They will not be tolerant to others. Right? So this is how they are like. And baby souls focused as they are on bringing people together under the umbrella of civilization. See others as being just like me. So they try to organize all these group meetings, religious satsangs, right? Even in our spirituality also, only Osho is right, or only Patriji is right, or only Sadhguru is right. They have this. They try to be that pioneers of organization. Like for them, that thing is more important for baby souls, because that is their identity. Through that only they live. Making sense for everyone? Yeah. So they become confused and upset when those other me's act differently than expected. For them everything should be like me. Everyone need to come to pyramid spiritual societies. Everyone need to come to Osho. Everyone need to be Hindu. Everyone need to be Muslim. So this is how they think. When they see someone, they get very upset. Like if I am Hindu, when they say Muslim, they say Muslims are wrong. They need to be Hindus. When Muslims see Hindus, they say Hindus are wrong. They need to be Muslim, and they will try to correct them. They will try to do something such that they have to become Muslim or they have to become Hindu. So this is how they try to act in their life. Their experience of life is rule based. This is how it should be. And rigid. They are very rigid people. They won't listen to anyone. Once they decide, they are self-righteous. Right? And dogmatic. Family oriented and highly structured around adhering to the laws and mores of an institution or culture. So only India is right. Only Indians are right. Or only Chinese are right, only Pakistanis are right, my country. So they have all these things, my thing. It's my country and I am right. It's my religion and I am right. It's my organization and I am right. And rest everything is wrong. Right? Self-righteousness. This is called self-righteousness. Think of the Middle West and conscientious drive to be the model citizen. So they always try to be that. Focus here is rules and laws. They are the ones who set the rules. They are the one, even in the organizations, they will be on the top. They want to be on the top and they want to control everyone. And they want to set how things should function, how things should be there. They are control freaks, kind of. They know what is right and what is wrong, and everyone should follow them. And these are some countries where they are more like Iran, Iraq, Haiti, Ireland, Libya, Middle East, Midwest America, etc. They are very community oriented. They are law-abiding people. They have a lot of family values. They have rule-based family values, rigid, judgmental. Everything is black and white. इधर तुम सही है या गलत है, बीच में नहीं है तुम. So So religious fundamentalists. These are baby